Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we're scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click here OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.